Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this spring wreath. These are my materials, so I went ahead and got them from Hobby Lobby and Michaels, and 40% off or 50% off for everything. I don't pay full price for anything, y'all, and you shouldn't either. This is my wood stain that I use for pretty much everything, and so this is a quilting ring that was like $6 or $7 at Hobby Lobby, and again I used a 40% off coupon, so I'm going ahead and staining them. I was able to take one ring and separate it because it's actually two pieces, so I can make two wreaths from one quilting ring. So just going ahead and staining, which I really enjoy doing for some reason. It's very satisfying and relaxing, and just getting all the nooks and crannies in there. And once that's done, it only takes a couple of hours to dry. And then I take my flowers and greenery and go ahead and place it where I think I'd like it to go. Not being committed to any design right now, just seeing how it looks. And that's the beauty of crafting, is that, you know, there's no right or wrong. You can go with what feels right and just enjoy yourself. And so I'm just taking these lavender pieces. The large flowers are actually light pink, but they look white on camera. And so once I get things where I kind of think I want them, then I will go ahead and put the floral wire through the flowers, twist that around, secure it with hot glue. And then the way that I secure these onto the ring is by twisting them on with the floral wire, because what I can do is then still move them around so that they can kind of stick up in the direction that I want them to go. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just going ahead and taking the pieces, securing them with the wire. And once I feel like they are in a place that I like them and that I think I can commit to, at that point then I will go in with the hot glue and kind of place them and even secure them in a place that the hot glue can kind of make sure that they stick there, because this is going to go on my front door. So that's what I'm doing right now, just enjoying myself, putting these pieces in. When I was recording this, I had my gospel music going, my son was napping, and this is just me time. This is what I enjoy doing. And so I try and get some symmetry on each side. So if I put something, one type on one side, like a lavender sprig or greenery, I try to do it on the other side. But again, not an exact science, just what you like. It's all about what you like, because it's your craft. And so I go ahead and put these in and twist them on, going not all the way up because I like the way it looks clean on the top part of the ring, and so it's just like floral and you know, green on the bottom, and then the top is a really clean modern look. But I wanted to add something more, and I remembered that I had gotten that galvanized sign from the Dollar Tree in the fall, so I utilized that, and then some ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree that I'm securing in with hot glue right now. Once that's in place, I'm going to take some tacky glue and go ahead and put that on the welcome sign, and just putting that in along the letters, not too thick, and that'll just go ahead and dry there and stay very nicely. And there you have it. I mean, how long did this take? I was able to do this while my son was napping, and so I like some crafts that are just like instant gratification. So that's my sign, and that's how it looks against my wall. But again, it went outside, and then I even made a larger version that I had made for a baby shower. These wreaths are just so customizable for different events, so enjoy making yours. Thank you for watching. I pray that you enjoy this spring and just enjoy God's beautiful creation. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless. Bye-bye.